Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can copy your document in your Google Drawings account, for example, to duplicate a diagram and save it on Google Drive. So let us get started. So head over to your document here in Google Drawings, and as you know, your edits as well as your entire diagrams and documents you create and edit here in Google Drawings get saved in the Google Drive cloud automatically. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to File, and let's say you would like to copy that entire diagram as one copied document. Click into File and then choose Make a Copy, give it a name, and here you may select the folder inside your Google Drive account so that the copied document may be saved there. You can choose also to copy all comments that have been added to the document, and so on and so forth. Click into this button, and after that it will be saved in the given folder here on Google Drive. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.